a small review about the products that I have switched to. It is called the Uniqura. I have the whole range. I have the toner, I have the serum, the sunscreen. I'm pretty sure I have the moisturizer somewhere. Yeah, and the moisturizer as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you how it looks on my skin. It's like a small little review. I've been breaking out like crazy lately, but yeah, it's still doing a good job. Like my breakouts have turned less compared to the older videos. So yeah, it's a nice brand. I haven't heard about it much, but yeah, so far so good. Okay, so now let's go in with the toner. For the toner, it's like a normal spray bottle toner. It is a Silk Glow Super Bright K Glass Skin Toner. Okay, just gonna shake it up a bit. I'm just gonna spray it all over. It smells really nice. What are the ingredients? It smells really nice. Yeah, so whatever ingredients is all good for the body. Now we're gonna go in with this serum. It's called the Age Defy Serum. Yeah, it's a cute little, pressy bottle. I guess you can use it day and night, so I just use it for the day. Just gonna add a couple of drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put 2 on my neck. 1, 2, 3. It's a nice bottle, sturdy bottle. Kind of like it. Okay, I'm gonna massage this all over. This does not have a fragrance to it. It's normal. Like the toner had like a really soothing smell. Okay, so we're all blended in. Okay, so now comes the moisturizer. This is a really thick moisturizer compared to the other moisturizers that I apply. This is a shea butter and cocoa butter moisturizer, and this moisturizer itself has SPF 30, so that's great. Yeah, it's 50 ml. Yeah, it's supposed to hydrate the skin and be non-sticky. Yeah, so moisturizing, like it has a very nice sturdy pump like bottle. You can see it, really nice. Just gonna take a little bit in my hands and spread it all over. Like it absorbs into the skin like crazy. Like my face is pretty smooth now. Take a little bit on my neck, massage that into, and yeah, we're all blended. So as you can see, my skin looks pretty hydrated. It's pretty, dewy and nice. It does not look oily or anything. This brand is something that I've just come across. It's hardly been like 2-3 days that I have been using it. So yeah, I'm gonna give you all, like, although my period is gonna come pretty quick, so I'm probably gonna break out a lot, but yeah, let me see how this wears and I'll let you know, like after trying it for like 3-4 days, and then I'll give you an update about it. All right, so bye. And just to show you how the sunscreen is, it is a sunscreen of SPF 50. So this is, it comes in a squeezy bottle. Take in a little bit of it. As you can see, it just melts into your skin without leaving a white cast. So hey guys, basically this is my face right here. I've been breaking out quite a lot actually lately, but yeah, as you can see, the moisturizer and basically the range of the entire products are actually really good. You can see that my face looks pretty glowy. Like, I mean, I have really oily skin. I have put this makeup on, I think, before work, so that will be around like 9 o'clock, and it's I think it's 6:30 or 7 o'clock right now. And yeah, you can see my face is like, you know, it looks pretty flawless. Yes, it's a little bit oily, but I mean, you're an oily skin girl. I don't think there's much that you can do about it. But yeah, otherwise the products are really doing wonders for my skin. The breakouts are turning less. Like, I mean, I'm just over my whole, you know, cycle, so yes, the breakouts are going less, and like, you know, it's helped a lot. So yeah, if I just keep continuously doing my skincare, taking off my makeup on time and not letting this linger for way too long, I think these products are pretty good. Okay, so yeah, I would definitely tell you all to give it a, you know, give it a shot. The thing about the toner, so when you apply the toner na, it's a spray. So when you apply the toner, there's some sort of like glycerin residue that stays behind. So it's a very moisturizing toner. So I think this will be great for dry skin, normal skin, and like for oily skin, it's already, I mean, I am oily, so yeah, so it is actually pretty good. It's not giving me any additional breakouts or anything. But yeah, so this is my review about these unique products. And yeah, unique, yeah, I just wanted to check if the name was right. So yeah, this is my review about the Uniqura products. And yeah, they're pretty good. I like it. Toner smells wonderful, even the cream does, so everything is pretty good. So yeah, if you all like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.